Nandito na si Bong Revilla!
Kosa!
Bong Revilla po, number 16 sa balota.
Hanggang dito ba naman magkakasama pa tayo? Pero huwag kang mag-alala. Sasamahan tayo ni Ipe sa kulungan.
Si Yusek Bernardo ang tumulong sa akin para may talaga ako bilang district engineer sa Bulacan First DO noong 2019, panahon ng Secretary ng DPWH si Secretary Mark Villar. Ayon kay Yusek Bernardo, ang GAA insertions noong 2024, 300 million na para kay, sabi niya po sa akin, para kay Senator Bong Revilla, na noon ay kumandidato bilang senador para sa 2025. Sinabihan ako ni Yusek Bernardo, Henry, kay Sedbong yan, baka gusto mo tumulong sa kanya. Dagdagan mo ang proponent ko na bahala. Sinabi ko kay Yusek Bernardo, sige po boss, kaya po imbis na 25 ay naging 30 ang naging proponent. Doon po sa 3 project na nakalagay po dito. Ang project po ay construction of flood control structure along Angat River, Sipat Section Plaridel, construction of flood control structure along Angat River, Lumang Bayan, construction of flood control structure along Giginto River, Mali Section, Giginto. Nabigyan si Senator Joel ng proyektong Unprogram Operations ng 2023, nagkakalaga ng 600 million na pawang mga flood control, yung mga proyekto at kung saan susumahin na 25% ng proponent ay may halaga na 150.
District Engineer Henry Alcantara. Mr. President, let me state this clearly at the very start. I am fully prepared to be investigated on these allegations. I am ready, Mr. President, and my office is ready to be investigated, that the truth may come out. At katulad po ng pagdalo ko kanina, Ginoong Pangulo, sa ICI, nakahanda rin po akong bigyang linaw ang mga bagay na ito sa anumang forum o lugar at patunayan na mali, malisyoso at pawang kasinungalingan lamang ang ipinupukol po sa ating pangalan. Maraming salamat, Ginoong Pangulo.
Sa kay Senator Jinggoy naman po, sa pagkakatanda ko, nasa 2024 budget hearing kami sa Senado. Kasama ko si Yusek Bernardo. Sa pagitan ng alas 9 hanggang alas 10 ng gabi, habang kami naghihintay, tinanong ako ni Yusek Bernardo kung mayroon pa akong gustong lagyan at mayroon pang available na 355 si SJE. Ayon po kay Yusek Bernardo. Noong August 20 o September 2021, nagkakilala kami ni Congressman Saldico sa isang pagtitripon meeting sa Shangri-La, Bonifacio. Doon ay napag-usapan namin ang plano ni Kong Saldi na sumubok na magbaba ng pondo papunta sa aking distrito para sa iba't ibang proyekto.
Senator Jinggoy Estrada is recognized.
It is just a manifestation, Mr. President. I am not availing of the privilege hour. Mr. President, I cannot, in good conscience, let the remarks made earlier by our colleague, Senator Francis Pangilinan, during the Blue Ribbon Committee pass without rebuttal. His comments, while not naming us directly, were laced with insinuations, clearly aimed at me and former Senator Bong Revilla, and the legal ordeals I have already faced. With due respect, such statements are not only unfair, they are malicious and utterly uncalled for. Mr. President, let me put on record. Hinarap ko po ang mga kasong isinampa sa akin. Dumaan ako sa mahabang panahon ng paglilitis, pagkakakulong, at pati na ang mabigat na stigma na idinulot nito.
You are gone for 4 hours, ano? Are you
Yes,
at
sir.
liberty to share with this committee kung ano yung nangyari for the past 4 hours? Thank you.
Sir, we had the NBI come over, the AMLC, and of course, the NPS is housed in the DOJ compound. So we met in room 206 over the affidavit of Mr. Alcantara, and he was there present to answer questions. And we determined that the NBI would be investigating it. And on the outset, they recommended the filing of charges already. So we treated this already as a complaint with the NBI as the endorsing agency. And at the same time, we contacted the AMLC and told them we gave them a digital file of this. Somebody was present already, but there's the same. We gave a digital file to the AMLC, and they already started acting on this because it is already a filed complaint with the Department of Justice. So given that, I believe that freeze orders have been issued already by the AMLC over the bank accounts of many
Against
people.
how many persons and who are they?
Sir, the recommendation of the NBI for prosecution, and probably this is what AMLAC followed, are as follows: for Mr. Alcantara, for Joel Villanueva, Senator Joel Villanueva, Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada, Congressman Ko, Rizalde Ko, former Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo, and former Congresswoman Mitz Cahayon. And the crimes committed were all specified in the sheet given by the NBI to us. So far, these are the persons, but we are still looking at the case of Commissioner Lipana and his spouse, who was a contractor, since it was already touched upon by Engineer Alcantara, and we're working on that now, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Sir, may I submit to you the document given by the NBI and the received copy of the DOJ of the Sinumpang Salaysay?
And the case is what specific crime?
Sir, as to each one, the crimes that violation of Section 3, Republic Act 3019, Article 211 of the Revised Penal Code, indirect bribery, and Article 217 of the Revised Penal Code, malversation of public funds.